Okay, so anyone volunteer? Any volunteer for today? Can get marks, extra bonus mark if you brave enough to talk. Oh, sorry. Okay, anyone? Or you want me to call your name?
Can I start, sir?
Who are you?
Iskandar Zulkarnain, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, Iskandar, please show yourself also.
Okay, jap. Hmm.
Okay. Okay, actually, it's quite easy to get A in AI because AI is A insyaAllah. Stand for A insyaAllah. Okay, so
InsyaAllah.
it's quite easy to get A. So you get A really easy. Last time, if I not mistaken, almost 90% got A in AI. Okay, yes, Iskandar. Good. You can see you now.
Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Iskandar Zulkarnain Shamsul.
Okay.
Okay, I'm studying SCAM dah tahun 4 dah. So I'm from Johor Bahru, Bandar Dato' On. For my experience, I have some experience in AI, which is I am using an online coursework from Visual Studio for image processing, machine learning also. Expectation is that because maybe my knowledge about AI will to have more in knowledge in we're very interested in artificial intelligence. That's all.
Iskandar, you miss out about your family, right? You not talk about your family.
Okay. My father and mother is working right now, and I am the anak sulung. I am the firstborn child. I have two more siblings. One is currently a degree in UKM, and my other sister, my little sister, is right now in sekolah menengah. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Thank you, Iskandar. Any question, guys, from others? So you know already about AI. So
What?
you know about
Just
fuzzy.
a little bit. No,
You know about
not
fuzzy
much.
logic. No, fuzzy logic.
Mm, I kind of get the gist of it, but maybe if you explain more, I my knowledge will be increased. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Any question, guys? Please ask Iskandar now. It is
Hey,
your chance to know Iskandar better.
hello.
Yeah. Is that
Hello.
Venda?
Wenda. Hello, Iskandar. Uh, I want to ask you, what is your expectation from this course?
My expectation. I just like I said, I expect to be more. What's that? Apa tu? In more, have many knowledge in AI is someone of the most interesting part tajuk in my life.
Okay.
I hope you achieve that, Iskandar. I hope.
Hmm?
I hope you achieve that. I hope you achieve your
Oh,
goal.
okay. Thank you, Amanda.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Iskandar.
Okay, thank you, sir.
All right. No problem. So can I ask one more student? Maybe female. I think I prefer one male and one female. So any female student brave enough to talk about yourself here? Anyone? You want me call your name? Hmm. Anyone?
Just call
Iskandar.
the name. Yes, sir.
Iskandar, can you give one name? Your female friends.
Okay.
Girl, yeah.
Hmm, maybe I try to call Irdina.
Sorry?
Irdina.
Edina. Yeah, Edina, your shy female classmate. Okay, Edina, please Edina. Iskandar looking for you.
Yes, betul.
Yeah, please show yourself. Can you show yourself?
Wait ah. Wait.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Show myself.
Yeah. So your
Can you see me, doctor?
yeah. Okay. Where are you now?
Okay, my name is Nuridina binti Muhammad Syahrir.
Okay.
Currently I'm not in UTM. I'm in Bangi Selangor. I am at home.
So PKP now, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
PKP.
PKPB. I cannot go out from Selangor at all.
So please stay healthy. Okay.
uh, uh, Explain about what do you mean my experience? Is it my experience?
Yeah, introduce yourself sir, first. Your name, family, academic background, your hometown. See here.
Academic background, I'm in scale program, electronics. I'm not in mechatronics, but in my course I should take artificial intelligence because I am in computer engineering
Okay.
specialization for electronics. So I'm currently in Bangi, and my experience in AI not really, I mean like tak banyak pun saya belajar AI ni sepanjangnya. So like the terms of fuzzy logic is very new for me. I've never heard that before. So it's interesting for me to learn new things in this subject. Thank you.
So you not tell more about your family, right?
Uh my family are frontliners.
You're frontliner.
But
Okay, good.
yeah. So I am alone at home with my sister because kita orang punya dua sekolah adik saya pun tutup juga. Tak boleh ni, tak boleh belajar pergi sekolah, diorang kena online class juga. So kita orang je dekat rumah. So my parents sebab diorang frontliner, so diorang kena keluar juga sebab diorang kerja kat hospital. Okay.
So take care, Indina. So any question, guys?
Alright, thank you, Doctor.
Yeah. Any question, guys? You want to ask Edina? Faris, you want to ask Edina? Iskandar, you want to ask anything?
Yes, what is it?
Um, why are you interested in computer programming?
What I'm interested in computer programming. Actually, I really like to learn about image recognition. Image recognition and because it's actually I have an idea for my FYP, so I want to learn about image recognition because I want to do that for my FYP. So I hope that in learning AI can increase my computer programming skills regarding for my FYP.
Okay, great. Good. Edina. All
Okay
right.
then.
So Iskandar and Edina
Okay.
get extra bonus mark for today. Okay, good.
Thank you, Doctor.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
All right. We got your face and also your what you call
Hello.
sharing. Okay, so next
Hello.
time, next class, so please prepare. Sorry, Wenda, are you talking?
Yeah, I have a question for Idana. For
Yeah.
Idana.
Okay, you Wenda.
First of all, I want to say that we are glad to have your family as the hero of Malaysia. Thank you very much.
Thank
And
you.
based on your experience, right, when your families and you talk to your family, right, since they are the frontliner they are the frontliners. So, what do you think AI can do for this situation? What do you think from the problem they are facing, and what do you think that AI can help in this kind of situation? I think it will be very beneficial for all of us if we can apply what we have learned in AI to help out the community.
Oh, currently, recently, my parents just gave me an idea how to help them in hospital in regarding for AI. But I cannot tell you guys right now lah because it's my, it's my for FYP. So, I'm actually in my FYP it's more included in hospitals for help them for the doctors especially currently for my FYP. So I hope that AI boleh tolong saya belajar lagi lah untuk tambah lagi tolong lagi orang-orang yang for the frontliners regarding in technology.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, Edina, Wenda, and Iskandar. So good. So nice sharing for all of you. Okay, so others, so please prepare your 3 to 5 minute thoughts later. Okay, regarding this thing. Okay, let's continue. So if you do online, so that's mean yeah, I think better we know each other, right? So rather than me just speaking to the computer, so better uh, some of you know each other also. Okay, let's start with okay, some introduction. What is fuzziness? Can you see this picture, guys? Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
what first thing in your mind regarding this picture here? Can you
The picture,
can
the
you
picture has a lot of noise.
can you
Cannot see
count
you much clear.
how many person?
7.
7%.
7. Okay.
Yes.
What else you see here? The gender?
Noise.
All boy.
All men.
Male,
Okay.
sir.
All male.
Oh, male or female? Oh, Wawa here. Okay. So all male. Okay. So there is some kind of fuzziness. Okay. So you don't know, right? Fuzzy. What is fuzzy? Fuzzy. Okay. Fuzzy. If you okay. Okay. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, the word fuzzy mean blur. You know blur? Fluffy, free, or indistinct. Okay. So that's mean in Malay we call it kabul. Kabul. sama, or kurang jelas. This is fuzzy. So why we need fuzzy? Why you need to learn about fuzziness? Is that something that very special? Okay, so some important point to note here. So fuzziness is deterministic uncertainty. Okay, and then fuzziness is connected with the degree to which event occurs rather than the likelihood of their occurrence. So probability. So if you see this picture here, so there is some sort of fuzziness. We don't know. It might be male. It might be female here. We don't know. So most probably female, right? Sorry, male, right? So what kind of job here? Can you guess?
Military.
As sailor man,
Sailor, military. Okay, for example, the
Sailor
degree
Moon.
to which person is young is a fuzzy event rather than a random event. Okay, the degree to which person is young. So, according to you, can you guess my age? Wawa, please, Wawa and others.
Saya tahu.
40.
40. Wait, kau dah
52.
nikah?
Macam mana tahu tu?
Semalam birthday daughter guys.
Eh,
Oh, happy birthday.
Oh, belated
kena
birthday.
nyanyi. Kena nyanyi orang ramai.
Dia doktor.
Ya, mana kek mana?
Virtual, Dr. Virtual.
Okey, tak apa. Nantilah Okey, how does fuzzy logic resemble human intelligence? So, why we learn fuzzy here? Rule-based system. So, in our mind, we have rule-based system. We call it reflect some form of the human reasoning process. So we can have so many reasons. If you know something, you know the reason. If you do something, if you want to do something, you have the reason to do that. If you don't want to do that, you also have the reason. Okay. And then handling certain level of imprecision and uncertainty. Oh, sorry. My office here some noise. Okay, maybe you know the noise, right? What kind of noise there? And then we can clustering and classification. So that's why fuzzy logic resemble human intelligence. Okay, there is example of differences between fuzzy logic and crypt logic. So if we talk about fuzzy logic, the opposite of fuzzy is crypts. It's not this crypt. Okay, this is your potato chips, right? So this is kind of food, but crypts here is something very precise. Okay, precise properties. But for fuzzy is imprecise. We don't know which part. Okay, if we have crypts, you have the answer yes or no. Either one. You cannot have both. Okay? But for fuzzy, we can have yes or no or partially membership. That means maybe 0.5, 0.7, 0.3 or something in between 1 and 0. So you can have more value there. But for crypts, only 0 or 1, or true or false only. Okay. So for example, girl is 30 years old, people 1.5 meter tall. But in fuzzy, you can say it girl about, put about here because we don't know. It is fuzzy, some sort of fuzzy. Okay. And also people about 1.5. We don't know. Is that really 1.5 or not? We don't know. So there is some sort of fuzzy also. Okay. So in Cripps model, we have we call it Cripps relations, and then in fuzzy model we have fuzzy relation. Is that clear, guys?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, clear.
Any question so far? You can ask later. If you can interrupt me if you want. Okay. Features of fuzzy logic. Example of linguistic imposition. Okay, unusual and real life quotes. So let's see here. What kind of quote here? Okay, how was the weather like yesterday? So what's your answer here? How was the
Yesterday is
weather?
sunny.
At your place, sunny. Right.
So hot.
Hot. Okay.
Rainy.
Rainy. Gani, rainy. Where are you, Gani?
To rain, sir.
In Johor. Gani in Johor. Okay. In Indonesia, Tafarel?
Also rainy, sir.
Rainy. Okay. Okay. Oh, it was rainy. Are you saying like this? It was rainy with 98% humidity and hot with temperature of 55.5 degrees Celsius. Are you human here? Are you human? If you answer me like that,
Oh, it's robot.
yeah,
No.
that is not human, right? It's totally not human. So for human, we just say it. Oh, it was very humid and really hot. That's it. Or just rainy or sunny hot. For human, we don't know the exact right, the exact value of this temperature or humidity and so on. So very fuzzy, right? Okay, so fuzzy logic can handle such linguistic imprecision, whether others techniques have difficulty in handling. I don't know who breath, heavy breath there. There is a noise. Okay, all right, good. Okay, so any question here so far? So that means fuzzy can handle such linguistic. So other example. So what kind of example you want to? Okay. So if you talk about weather, it's quite easy because you just said rainy, hot. So if you talk about your life, okay. So what? Uh, so for example, hmm, okay, let me see an example here. Okay, fuzzy logic can handle linguistic impression where the other technique have difficulty in handling. Okay, when you at 10 meter from the junction, start braking at 50 pedal level. Are you human if you say like that? Anyone have this car at home?
Not human, sir. Not human.
Human.
Not
Okay, can you change
human.
this linguistic, okay, to human? Can you change this to human? To human. Okay, anyone can change this.
Start breaking slowly.
Okay, so the answer is when you are near the junction, start braking slowly. Yeah. Okay, that's mean there is human. If you not human, if you machine, you can say like that. And when you at 10 meter, so you know exactly 10 meter. Okay. So from the junction, start braking at 50% pedal level. So that's not human, right? So more to machine. Alright. So if you're human, you just say when you near the junction, start braking slowly. That's it. Okay? Is that clear, guys? That is fuzzy. So everything in your life, in our life, is fuzzy. Human, yeah, slowly. What else? Near. What else? If you have put ly at the end of your word, so that means that is human. Precisely. What else? So everything is human in precision. Okay, fuzzy logic can represent what language naturally. Okay, so can you define this?
Siri, sir. Siri.
Sorry, Chiri.
Yeah, Siri.
Okay, enrich not replace crypt set. Actually, fuzzy logic is not replace the crypt set. You still have 1 0. But we have another level 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on. So it's not replaced, but we enrich. Okay, so and then we allow flexible engineering design. So you can use fuzzy and improve model performance are simple to implement, and then best of all then often works. So if you use fuzzy, usually it works. Okay, for example, look at this. Can you understand that? Can you give comment on that? If you say to your friend like this, I believe your friends will die immediately, right?
Yes.
Yes.
1,500 kilogram mass is approaching your head at 45.3 meter per second. So I believe before you end your words here, your friends is not there already, right? So just say like this, look out. So okay, this is precision. So that means very precise, right? You have precise mass here. You have a precise meter per second, the velocity. But just say look out. So that's mean we know. Oh, there is something very. Okay, what are the advantages of using fuzzy in system design?
Simple.
Simple. So what else? So that's mean okay, simple. So what else?
Straight to the point.
Sorry?
Straight to the point.
Straight to the point. Straight to the point. Straight to the point. Is that correct, guys? What else? So it can replace human, right? Human what? Imprecision, right? So we are thinking more fuzzy, right? You don't know the exact value. Okay, I think we talk about this later on. Okay, more question. So what are fuzzy set? Why fuzzy set? Sorry guys, sorry. Someone is drilling. Sorry guys, sorry. My neighbors is drilling the wall. Come on. Just a minute.
It's okay, sir. No problem.
Guys, doktor kata rehat sekejap sampai pukul 1.
Ya je kau Faris.
Doktor cakap tak saya.
Ya dah.
Test, test.
Banyak
Boleh?
lah.
Boleh dengar tak? Test. Test.
Dengar.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Doktor nak cakap. Saya lagi cakap. Boleh, boleh. Boleh ke? Saya kalau seorang yang kerja saya je.
Okay guys, sorry. My place very noisy now.
It's okay.
I send rock to sound them. Okay, by the way, so we will know more about fuzzy set later. Okay, what is fuzzy set? Why fuzzy set? So what is different between fuzzy set and also crypt set? And then the properties of fuzzy set. What is relation of fuzzy set to the real world? Okay, how do you operate a fuzzy set to another fuzzy set? Okay, fuzzy set to another fuzzy set. And then similarity to fuzzy relation. And how could fuzzy set be used in a real world application? Okay, so fuzzy set. Let's say here we have day of the week. So we have Monday, Tuesday, and Saturday. So we have shoes polish, butter, liberty, and dorsal fin. Any related here between shoes polish and butter here? Anything that related? So dorsal fin and anything guys? Shoes polish and butter. Any related thing here?
No relation.
No relation, right? Okay. So the only relation is there. Okay, only here. Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. We call it day of the week. Okay, if you have here, if you call it day of the weekends, So there is Saturday, Sunday, or sometimes is Friday. So Friday also consider as a weekend. Some of the place, for example, Johor, Friday as a weekend, right? So Monday is not part of the weekend. Thursday also not part of the weekend. So this is the only relation that you have there. Okay. All right. Okay. With fuzzy logic, rules can be written in a more natural way. For example, if you talk about this, for example, for aircon, if temperature is 30%, 30 degrees Celsius, then switch on condenser to 80%. So in fuzzy, this one is without fuzzy, but if we talk using fuzzy logic, okay, we just say if temperature is high, then switch on the condenser high. That's it. We only use high here. Okay? So no need to put the precise degree Celsius or the percentage there. Is that clear, guys? Is that
Yeah.
clear? So no need to put the value. No need to put the value. Okay, if traffic has more than 20 car, then extend green light by 20 seconds. Okay, that is not human, right? Not human. If we are human, you just say that if traffic is heavy, then green should be extended longer, right? So that is how the human talk. Okay, so just use heavy and longer there. Is that clear?
Yeah.
You can
Yes,
ask
sir.
me. You can ask me. You can interrupt me. Okay, if you have any question, just interrupt me. Okay, definition of fuzzy set. Fuzzy set compare with creep set. A creep set, for example, A here, can be defined as a set which consists of element with either full or no membership. So that means either you have one here, or zero only. Other than that, is you cannot have this one or this one. You cannot have that membership. Either one or zero. Okay. Each item is universe is either in the set or not. So either inside there or outside there. Okay, that is crypts. That is for crypt set. So if you some fact on fuzzy set. Fuzzy set allow the element in its set to have partial membership. Partial that means you have 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and so on. So not only one or zero. Okay. So membership from 0 to 1. So you have an other value also. Thus, a fuzzy set is generation of an ordinary set by allowing a degree or grade of membership for each element. Okay, so that means if you have a fuzzy set, it could be like that. It's not square. Okay, it could be this one. Okay, this one we call trapezoid. Okay, you will learn about type of membership function later on. So this one is fuzzy set A. So we have also 0. Maybe 0.1 here, 0.2 here, right? 0.5, and so on. So you also have partial membership. Okay, not only 1 and 0 only. Is that clear, guys? So we have another.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have triangular, we have trapezoidal, Gaussian, and so on. So you will learn how to differentiate between this type of membership function. We call it membership function. Okay, so this is one of the new term you have to know. Term beside fuzzy set, okay, creep set. Okay, this one is also new term. You have to know. Okay, this one you know, right? Universe of discourse. You know already? This one is you.
Don't know.
Okay, later you will know that. Okay, compare the creep set and so the left side is you know what?
Great, sir.
Okay, this one is creeps. Okay, creeps. This one the right side
Fuzzy, sir.
fuzzy set. Okay, great guys. Okay, so you okay fuzzy set notation. So if you write this one is how you write down the fuzzy set notation here. So u is called u. This one is capital letter. This one is capital. Okay, u besar u besar. Okay, call the universe of discourse and u. This one is small letter. Okay. Okay, U represent a generic element of U. Okay, of a fuzzy set F in a universe of discourse U, this one is capital, is characterized by a membership function. So this one is membership function. So micro F, that is membership function of the universe. So included in 0 and 1. Okay, so a fuzzy set F in U is usually represented as a set of order pair of element U. U, this one is small. Okay, and grade of membership value. So that's mean U. So you put U small U and then membership of the U small. So this one, how to pronounce this one? Anyone? U, what is the symbol of this? What you call this one?
Subset, sir.
Belong. Yeah, this one is epsilon, right? Epsilon, but that one is subset. Subset of, so the element of U. U small is element of U universe. Okay, so you need to know how to write down this fuzzy set. Okay, so when you of this one is universe of discourse is continuous, or fuzzy set F can be written concisely F this one. You know this symbol? This one is integral, right? So membership F and then U, okay, and then you have U here. Okay, so over U. Okay, if U is discrete or fuzzy set F is represented as a, so this one, summation. Summation, that means you can add using plus, plus, and so on here. Okay. Is that clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I give the example later. There's some calculation how to write down, how to calculate. Okay, the fuzzy set. Okay, you can also write down like this. So more easy, just put comma. Okay, so you can using this one or this one if discrete. Okay, so this one is notation of U. Universe of discourse is a capital letter of U. Okay, U. Okay, so U. Okay, defined as collection of object all having the same characteristic. For example, here weekend, day of the weekend, right? So you remember? So what kind is it? Sunday, Saturday, and partially maybe Friday, right? Okay. So notation you can put U capital of U or X capital of X. And element in the universe of discourse are U small letter and then X small. Some example here: voltages of actuator, speed of car, and errors. Okay. Okay, example of universe of discourse for person height. Okay, so your height here. So uh, let me. Okay, can you see this? In ASEAN, which country have the tallest male? Guys, in ASEAN. According to this 2014, okay, data. So for male, so which country have the highest or tallest? Anyone?
Netherlands.
The land.
Netherlands? Come on, ASEAN guys. Netherlands is not part of ASEAN.
Singapore.
Japan.
This one,
Japan and Singapore.
Singapore.
Japan and
Japan.
Singapore. Singapore
Paris.
ASEAN.
Paris is the tallest.
So ASEAN, Singapore is ASEAN, right? Japan not ASEAN.
Yes.
Japan is Asia. Asia, not ASEAN. ASEAN. This one is ASEAN. Okay.
Singapore.
Singapore,
Singapore,
right?
sir.
So Singapore have the tallest male, okay, height. And then for female,
Singapore.
Singapore as well.
yeah, Singapore also. So that's mean if you want to find your maybe your spouse, you can find from Singapore. Okay, have the highest, the tallest. Okay, what is your one?
Saya cari.
Okay, cari yang tinggi lah. Okay, alright. So, for example here. So we have height here. What is kind of height here? So what you call this one? Height is? So this one is that U?
FF.
Is that F? So which one here?
F, sir, I think.
F small or F this one or which one?
Big F.
Bit F. Okay. Alright. So this one is membership value. So for example, micro FF is high. Okay. This one is membership for high. So for example, here is 1. Okay. So if we consider this category short for start from 140 to 50, is that 57? Right. So
And
consider as a short. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And then
Short.
medium. Medium that mean not short, not tall. Okay. So from 150 to 100, call this one 167. I can say that one. Right. So for tall, start 160 to 177. Right.
Yes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
which category are you?
Tall.
Medium.
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 Wawa.
Short, sir. Short. I'm
Short.
short.
saya tak naik medium kot.
Medium. Oh, okay. Medium. Rock.
Saya tall.
Or we can put another category here. What we call it?
Very tall.
Yeah,
Giant.
we can put very tall. Or you can also put another category there, which is very short.
Short.
Yeah, very short. So
Wawa.
so we can have more category. Okay. But the universe of this course stay the high. This one is U, right? Or F. So which one? F or U? So universe of this course for person high. High is the universe. So F is might be here for short. It may be here for medium. F for tall, this there. Okay. So this one is U. Understand or not?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Yeah, okay, good. So we can have more category. It depend to you as a design of the system. Designer of system. Okay. So this is fuzzy set properties. Okay. Can you spot anything maybe I don't know, maybe special about this? Okay, you know this one, this symbol. What you call this symbol?
Conjunction.
Sorry?
Conjunction.
Conjunction.
Union atau union.
Union, this one union, right?
Union senyum.
This one is union, right? So
Yes.
this one,
Intersect.
Non-union.
Intersect.
intercept, yeah. Good. This one is intercept. Intercept. How to spell it?
CT.
CE.
CT.
Huh? Intercept. Is that correct?
Yeah, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
That one intercept. So A intercept with A, you still get A. Is that correct, guys?
Yes, sir. Correct.
Correct.
Okay, A union of A still get A. So
Yeah.
they call it, this one is idempotence. So can you spell this one? Idempotence. Oh,
The importance.
okay. Sounds good. Okay. A union. Sorry. A intercept with universe. You get
A, sir.
A. Yeah. So if A intercept with A, you get A, so A intersect with intersect with universe also can get A. Okay, what is this?
يا اخي بيكون عليه هل في انتخابات او لا؟ اذا في انتخابات ممكن، اما بس بتجي وبتكون يعني تزكيه ولا اختيارات ولا لا ما يصلح
Masya
What
Allah.
happened?
What's that?
InsyaAllah. Ilan.
Ila. What's that?
Mute your mic, bro. Abdul Ghani.
Watching movie, sir.
Ha,
Watching
tengok movie
movie.
sambil dengar kelas Aduh. Saya pun nak tidur juga dah. Sambil tengok kelas, dengar kelas dengan dengan tengok movie. Multitask ni. Okay, what is the symbol? What kind of symbol here?
Apa?
Apa Luqman?
Fee, sir. Fee.
Ha, fee. Okay, we
Yes,
call
sir.
it NU apa? Sambung. Apa nama ni? NU ha? No, NU.
Nal.
Betul.
Nal.
Nah tu apa?
Kosong.
Betul.
Yeah, nothing. So
Nothing.
A union with nothing, so you still get A. Okay, that one we call identity. Okay, but with A intercept with null, you get null. Can you prove it? A intercept with nothing, you got nothing. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. So I think later we need proof how you get this kind of what you call this one? Is that properties? Okay, and then A union with universe. So you get universe. Right. So this one is A union with A intersect with B, similar to B intersect with A. And then A union B also similar to B union A. We call can you spell this out?
Commutativity.
Commutativity, Okay, good.
Mm.
Okay. If we have three fuzzy set, A intersect with B, intersect with C. So it's similar. If this one you bracket A and B, but similar B and C. Okay, guys. Just a minute. Okay, guys. Sorry. Got call from industry. Okay, last year your senior have project in industry for AI subject. But this year I don't think we can proceed similar to that because it is online, right? So it's quite difficult to manage it if you're not here. So it might be more easy project. I don't know. Maybe it more difficult. I don't know. So it's quite fuzzy. Still fuzzy. Can you hear me, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Yeah, because of COVID, we cannot do anything, right? So perhaps we need to, yeah, like Wenda said, you need to find a way use technology, try to help people using something that we learn, right? So if you know AI, so how to use AI to help the people? Okay, so we talk about that later after we finish our course here. Okay, if we have A union with B and then union C, it's still similar if you bracket B and C here. Same. Okay, so don't worry, we call this one is associativity. And then if we have intercept here and then union here, it is similar to this. Okay, so that's mean for you can consider this as intercept is something like multiple. Okay, multiple. So this one is more to plus. Okay, the union is plus. This one is multiple. Is that correct, guys? Okay, so you can multiple here. So you get A multiply by B, okay, and then plus here, plus B, but you need to know here B multiplied by C, okay, okay, it's not A here, right, it's B. Okay, and then we also have here another one element here, A union with bracket B intercept C. So that's mean it's quite similar to A, so union B and then intercept with B union C. We call this one distributivity. Distributivity. Okay. So and then if we have A double complement, double that's mean become nothing. So A become A. Okay, so have double here, double complementation. Okay, this one is, I think you know this, De Morgan law. Remember De Morgan law?
Remember, sir.
Ah,
Remember,
ingat?
remember.
Ingat.
Oh,
Ingat.
bagus loh. Ingat saja.
Fuzzy.
Okay, De Morgan, how to, do you know how to remember this one? Easily? How to remember easily?
Change
Okay, let me show you.
union and intersect.
Okay, let me show you how to make it remember this law easily. Just just write down A, B, and then equal to A, B. Okay, put symbol here. For example, intercept this one, put symbol union, and then if you put complement for whole, this one become ish. Right. So this is how you can make easily. Just put A and B and then A, B. So if you put here union, it must be here is intercept. So if you put whole element A union B here for complement, okay, complement here. So here it become ish. So there is De Morgan. So this is how I remember De Morgan law. Okay, maybe you have another trick or another way to remember it. It depends. So for me, I just put something like that. Okay, is that okay, guys? Okay, guys.
Yes, sir. Okay.
All
Yes,
right.
sir.
Okay, okay.
Is that you have to remember everything here?
Hmm,
Yes.
maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe not.
Okay.
I hope not.
Anyone know how to remember everything? In fact, you know your friend Nan here. We have up to how many students here for today? Let me see. How many? How many students here today?
Itu.
Participant 42. Wow. 43. Full house today. Very good. And expect 42 students today. All right. Hopefully you can understand what I said here, what I teach you here. Okay. Actually, I know the trick how to remember everything. The fastest way to remember is using your your car. You know your car. You know the technique, guys.
I don't know, sir.
Remember
No.
everything using the car. You know the car, creator.
Yeah, I know.
You know. Have you used that method?
Oh no, sir. I know my car.
You know your car, but don't know
Ah,
how to
I
use.
don't know the method, sir.
Okay. If you want to know, there is another topic. It is another technique or another course. Okay, so I will tell you later on about that. But after we finish everything here, because you need to remember everything that you learn here. Okay, let's continue. There's some example here. Definition of fuzzy set is, so for example, you have here, okay, in the universe of discourse, the fuzzy set F label integer approximately equal to 5 may be defined as, okay, F equal to 0.1 over 2 plus 0.4 over 3 plus 0.85 over 4 plus 1 over 5 plus so on. Okay, so the answer is, similarly, the fuzzy subset F label integer close to 4 may be defined as here. Okay, 0.4 over 2 plus 0.8 over 3 over 4. Can you spot what is, see here, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's not over actually. 7, 8. It's not, it's not, it's not actually divide by 2, by 3, by 4, by 5 actually. It is, right. Can you spot that? It's not divide, but if you have to put like this, okay, plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and so on. Okay, there is other value, 0. This is example. So remember, this is not divide. Okay, this is more to coordinate. You know coordinate, guys? Anyone?
Yes, 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 no.
Yeah,
Understand.
this is not divide. Okay, please don't divide the value. This is more to coordinate. Coordinate 1 is 0.2, 2 is 0.3, and so on. Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you also can write down like that.
There is no one in the example.
Yeah.
Start from two.
So because one no value for one. Okay. Okay. You also can change this into this. Okay. Can you see? 2 is the value 2 here. This put coordinate. This is x. This is y. This is x. This is y. This is x. This is y. Right. So see. Coordinate x and y, x and y. Okay, you can write down similar. Okay, clear, guys? So don't delay. So
Clear.
it is just coordinate. Okay, so let me see. Support set. Okay, we have also in fuzzy set, we call it support set. The support set of fuzzy set F is the creep set. So creeps, you still have, you know what, creeps of all point U in capital U such that, okay, see what happened here. So for example, membership function of U is bigger than 0. So what is the number bigger than 0? Guys?
1 and
1,
1.
2, 3.
1 until infinity.
To anti-infinity.
1, 2 until finish.
Anti-finish. 0.1. How about 0.2, 0.0.001?
Bigger than 0.
Okay, everything number more than 0. Okay. So, okay, there is support set. Okay. So, bigger than 0, that means everything here is support set. It's not 0. This one not. This one not. This one is support. We call it support set. Okay. For we have also another element here. We call crossover point. Okay. For example, you have membership function of U equal to 0.5. So that's mean, okay, if we have crossover, so this one is 0.5. 5, so that's mean element here A and B here is crossover point. Okay, so crossover for the this one. Okay, so intercept here, so get this value. Okay, and then we have fuzzy singleton. Can you show to me what is fuzzy singleton? Is that this one or this one? Which one? A or B? Singleton. So which one?
I think B. B, sir. I think B.
I
Maybe B.
think it's still fuzzy. Right. So you're still fuzzy now. So the answer is this one. So it's B.
Yeah, so B, right?
Okay, good. That is called singleton. It's not like A. A is not singleton. Okay. Okay. Okay, we also have alpha cut set of fuzzy set. So if we have alpha cut set of fuzzy set F labeled with F, alpha by conversion is a crypt set of all point U in such that. Okay, so let's see here what kind of drawing here. For example, you have here more than n equal to alpha. Okay, so that means it's not only 0.5 but also, okay, see alpha here, 0 here and 1 here. So if alpha cut, so that means everything below alpha is nothing. So only above alpha only consider. Okay, so this one is ignore. So you have to this one only, care about this one only, that we call alpha cut set. Okay, so it might be 0.5, 0.8, 0.9 and so on. Okay, so note that an alpha set discard the point whose membership value are lower than alpha. So everything lower than alpha is ignored. Okay, have you heard about this term normalization? Normalize. Have you heard about that? Yes. Venda, yes. More, yes. Okay. All right. So this process simply involves rescaling. So we call this one normalize is some sort of rescaling. The membership function so that its maximum value is 1 only. Okay, let's see. This is the formula to normalize, but easily, okay, if you have this fuzzy set A, if you normalize this fuzzy set, it's become this one. So this is norm A. Okay, clear guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Clear,
good.
clear, clear.
I think I have to call some name here because I don't think, I'm not sure whether he or she not here or not. Okay, try to unmute some random name here. Okay, let's see what we heard from them. Okay, let me try the lucky name here. Let's try Haris. Haris, are you there? Haris Saifuddin. Betul Haris, betul. Senyap je. Haris, dengar ke? Haris.
Test.
Dengar. Test. Betul test.
Okay.
Okay, kita belum test lagi ni. Okay, bagus saya dengar. Okay, bagus. Ingatkan tak ada kat situ. Saja nak random check. Sebab kan online ni, okay, saya nak try siapa pula ni yang perempuan lah pula. Yang tengok di tengah tengok TV ke apa kan. Okay, try Nurul Hanisa. Nurul Hanisa?
Ya.
Okay, ada pun. Okay, alhamdulillah. Ingatkan tak ada. Okay, bagus. Okay, CE ada tak ni? CE, are you there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, good. Okay. Alright, last one. The lucky. So let's try siapa ni Hairi Afandi. Okay, try tengok Hairi Afandi. Hairi, Afandi, are you there? Hairi, I don't have mic in my laptop. Okay. Good point. Okay. Okay. At least you respond. Okay, good. Good, Hairi, Afandi. But I can open video. Okay, you can open video if you want. Okay, there is some chat there. Whether you are here or not. Okay. Hairi. Are you okay, Hairi? Sihat? Okay, tak boleh cakap eh? Okay, handsome. Okay, Hafiz dah keluar terus Hafiz. Kenapa Hafiz keluar ni? Okay, tak apa. So we continue. We have actually another 20 minutes.
Doctor,
Ya.
internet Hafiz problem.
Internet Hafiz problem. Oh, Wawa semua tahu eh. Bagus Wawa.
Tak call saya.
Ya, dia call Wawa ke?
Tak WhatsApp.
Ya, WhatsApp. Okay. Ada ni ada skandal ke apa?
Tak ada.
Tak ada. Okay, bagus. Wawa. Okay, saya lupa. I forget. To offer, any one of you want to be a leader in this class? Usually, the leader, we get minimum B plus. Usually. But for this time, maybe minimum A minus. That's my guarantee on that.
Saya dah
Anyone?
dapat
Huh?
A-.
Siapa? Wawa nak?
Dapat A kan?
Minimum A minus.
Why not?
Wawa rajin study dah. Oh, Faris kata Wawa rajin study. Okay, any other student want to be leader? Class leader? Instead of
What do the leader do, sir?
You have to be more advanced than your friends. That means everything I go refer to you. Everything I inform you first before other friends. Okay, so that means in terms of information you get first, and then you have to manage. Sometimes you need to help me in terms of the I'm not sure, maybe it's not in terms of marking, but in terms of manage your grouping, maybe your assignment, for group assignment, for individual assignment, everything that needs your help, I will find you. Okay, so that's why, so it's guarantee to get minimum A minus if you can be good leader. Okay, so anyone volunteer to be a leader?
I can, sir, I can. Saya boleh.
Luqman nak? Okay, Luqman, Wawa. Okay, anybody else? Rock? Siapa lagi nak? Ada? So, anyone? I don't... it depends to you. If more than 3, so we have to vote. Put in voting. Sometimes maybe I will discuss with you about the date for test 1, for test 2. In fact, how maybe for submission of your assignment also. So I will discuss with the leader. So anyone? Okay, I'm okay with Luqman and Wawa. So Wenda. So how about you, Wenda?
Panda for leader.
Huh?
No, because
Panda
I
for
have
leader.
no, I have other stuff. Too many stuff. I don't think I can handle it quite well.
You cannot handle at home, right? It's quite difficult to handle if you at home. So busy with other thing, right? Okay. So Lukman and Wawa, right? So I will open voting in Telegram later on. Okay. So no worry, you can vote. So which of your choice? Okay, between Wawa and Lukman. Okay. So later on you get the you can choose. All right. So let's continue. I think we have another 5 minutes to finish. Okay. So okay, two ways to define the membership for fuzzy set, which using numerical and also functional. So numerical, I think, what is numerical actually? Okay, there is numerical definition, so it's using this one. Is that difficult to understand this? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Okay, this is called numerical. Okay, so in functional, how you change this to functional? Okay, this is functional. So this something like this. Function. You know function? Fx equal
Yes.
1 over 1 plus x minus 5 square. Okay, this is functional. So which one is easy for you? If you try this, you still get the answer. So for example, x is 2. This is x is 2 here. You put 2 here, 2 in x here. What happened? 1 over 1 plus 2 minus 5 square. So you get 1 over minus 3 square. So 1 plus 9, right? So 1 over 10. So you get 0.1. See? Same answer here. So if you substitute 3 for x here, so we get 0.4. If you substitute 4 here, you get 0.85 and so on. So it depends to you how you define. Sometimes it's quite easy to define using numerical. Sometimes it's easy to use functional. Okay? Okay, guys. Is that clear, guys?
Okay, sir. Yeah, clear,
Okay.
sir.
I believe all of you good in mathematics. In fact, in additional mathematics as well, right? So don't worry about the mathematic thing here. Okay, there is okay. Let's finish with membership function. This is last section. I will teach you for today. Okay, membership function. Okay, we may use standard function to represent fuzzy set. Okay, the membership function which are often used in practice we call S function, pi function. We have triangular form, we have trapezoid form, we have exponential form and Gaussian. So what is this? Guys, what is this? Which one? Is that S function? Is that pi function? Is that triangular? Is that trapezoid? So which one?
That's fine.
Huh? Apa, Mahmudah?
Pi function, sir. Pi
S
function.
function.
S function. So which one? Okay, let's see here. S function is this. Similar to S, right? So for S, we have four what we call this one? From that's mean,
Condition.
is that condition or division, right? We have four division. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Four division. Okay. Start from 0. That means less than 0. What happen if less than 0 is 0? Is 0 here. Okay. Between A and B, so that means A and B, division number 2 here, between A and B. So the function is there. This is the function. Okay. You can try 2 u minus a divided by b minus a square. Okay, so there is function for here number 2. Okay, and then function division 3 here, there is the function here. Okay, and last one, function more than c. More than c is 1. Can you remember this? Can you remember this function for S membership function?
No.
Okay, how to easily remember? Okay, so actually you just remember this one. No need to remember because 0 and 1 only. So you need to know this. This one is 0. This one is 1. Right. So only these two, division 2 and 3 only. Okay, you need to know. Okay, using this one, and last one is 1 minus 2. Okay, and then put bracket square. So here is u is minus c. So c and b, c and b here. Right, is that correct? C minus b, u minus a, b minus a. Okay, this is how you need to remember, okay, the formula. Okay, for S membership function, this is a very popular question in test 1. Okay, oh, you cannot see, right? So I erase all of this. Okay, for pi, so this is how you, okay, pi is 2s function, right? This one s, this another s. Okay, so 2s function for pi. Okay, that means first is you need to know the s function between u and c. So between 0 and here, so there is first segment, and then another one is here for more than c here. So there is 1 minus s membership function. Is that okay, guys? Is
Yes,
that
okay.
So don't worry, I will give this slide later on, so you will have time to study later. Okay, so another one is trapezoidal. Okay, trapezoidal is something that very popular as well, because we have 5 division, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is 0, here is 0. So here is 1. So only remember this only. Just 2. Okay? Using this functional. Alright? So don't be trapped with the question. It's just one element, two element only you need to know. Okay, this one is triangular. Triangular don't have this one. So we have this only, not like this. Okay. So this is triangular. So four division, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you only need to know this one. Similar. Similar or not? Similar, right? Similar to trapezoidal. Okay, only this one don't have. Okay, for triangular. Okay, so okay, I give exercise here. So I let you try. Okay, and we will discuss on Sunday at 4 p.m. Is it okay?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
No
this
problem.
one tape home. Okay, exercise. Okay, so already at the home. So just do this exercise. So I will maybe call you name, and you need to show your screen how you answer that one to share with others. Okay. All right. So I think we have also this one. Okay. Just slide 30, 30 and 31. Is that okay? So 31 is here. Okay, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Sorry, this one, exercise 2. Okay? Alright. So any question, guys, before we end? So I will create voting system if you want to vote for class leader. Before that, if anyone interested to be a leader, please let me know. You can send me personal if you very shy in online class. You can message me personal using WhatsApp or Telegram, and I can put your name as a maybe a possible leader. Okay, all right. Okay, guys. So vote for me, guys. Okay. So there is Lukman. I was born a leader. Wow. Okay, Lukman, can you show yourself?
Oh, yes, sir.
Can you show yourself? Can you show
Wait,
your
sir.
video?
How to open my...
Can you show your video?
Wait, sir. Wait, sir.
I want to see your face as well. Ada?
Wait.
Tengoklah macam mana muka kan. Nak kenal.
Yes, sir.
Ada? Mana? Nampak ni. Wawa nak melobi ke? Okey, Lukman. Okey, Lukman, cerita sikit lah kenapa nak jadi leader ni.
I want to be a leader because I want that A minus, sir.
Sebab A je, A minus je. Kalau tak ada A minus tak nak jadi lah.
Yeah, I want to lead my friends, sir, to become a next leader. I show him how to be a leader. Yeah, that's why I want to be a leader.
Okay, okay. Wawa. Please, Wawa. Okay, Lukman, thank you. Wawa, show yourself. Boleh, Wawa?
Susah doktor?
Boleh. Boleh tunjuk muka.
Boleh.
Tunjuk. Saya kat hutan Nampak hutan belakang ni.
Um,
Mana muka Wawa tak nampak ni. Dia orang nak kenal Wawa.
Kejap, dia internet slow. Okay. Nampak tak?
Oh, kat rumah
Ya, doktor kat rumah.
Okay. Why you want to be a leader?
I want to be a leader because I want to build my self-confidence. And I want to get A for this subject. Okay, doktor.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, guys. So let's see later. Okay. I will prepare the voting system. And then please vote only one. Okay. So thank you for your time. Okay. See you again on Sunday. Okay. If you have any problem, just let me know. Okay. All right, guys. So thank you so much. So
Okay, doctor.
okay, thank you.
Thank you, Doctor.
Bye.
Thank you, doktor.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, doktor.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Okay. So stay healthy.
Doctor.
Thank you, doktor. Thank you.
Okay, sama.
Doktor,
Thank you.
didn't sign the attendance yet.
Oh, tak sign lagi. Okay, sekejap.
Sponsor tak jumpa.
Thank you, doktor.
Saya cari. Okay, dapat.
এখন আমাদের ইংলিশ চলবে ল্যাপটপটা দেওয়ার পর যদি হ্যাম্পারে এটা থাকে যে আমার পাছা তুলবা তুমি এটা তো আমি মানবো না রিয়েলি বলো
So please scan your attendance.